Your wife is going to wake up very sad. If she's in the kitchen now preparing food, or maybe getting the children ready for school if children are already involved, you will hear her from the kitchen shouting on top of her voice, screaming at the children, where is your school bag? Where is your school shoes? Where did you get? She will start to yell at the children. Maybe one of the children will say, Mommy, can I take banana to school? We say, if you touch that banana, you will see what I will do to you. You should be angry with those children for nothing. Maybe you hear her where you are sleeping in the bedroom. Oh, you come and meet her to see what is going on. Ah, honey, good morning, honey. I'm hearing your voice in the bedroom. What is going on? Why are you shouting? She's going to ask you, what is good about the money? Edward, I said what? She used to call you honey before. Now I said what? Edward, I said, what is good about this money? No, I said, I heard your voice. I said I should come and ask you what's going on. So you are asking me what's going on, right? So you mean to tell me you don't know what is going on? Edward, just leave me alone this morning, please. Leave this kitchen and let me do my job, please. I beg you in the name of God, please leave me. Now, the children are going to go to school unhappy because mommy was not happy. If the teacher is teaching them in the class, they might not pay attention because they were not happy from home. You see how the love making from the bedroom is affecting the children all to their classrooms. Your wife, on the other hand, if she's the boss in her office, her workers are going to find it out with her. She's not going to be happy with them. She's going to be shouting at them. You, on the other hand, as the head of the family, when you get to your workplace, you are not going to be happy because you don't know what you've done to your wife. Early in the morning, she has started screaming at you. You don't know what is bothering her. Can't you see how love making in the bedroom is affecting the whole family? It's affecting you. It's affecting your wife. It's affecting the children. The children are involved. As a girlfriend, now your girlfriend is not going to be happy. In her workplace, if she's working under somebody, her job is not going to be well done. Why? Because she's not happy about last night. You, on the other hand, you are not going to be happy because she's not happy with you. Can you see how love making sex is affecting the whole relationship and marriage? You are so used to your particular style that you don't even think about your wife. You don't even know whether, or your girlfriend, whether she has her own urge to be satisfied. All you want to know is to offload and get it over with. Why don't you think about your wife for once? As you are on and you want to offload and be free, your wife is also high too, and she wants to release her attention. How is she going to release attention when you're always in a hurry making love to her? You become, oh, you don't know my wife. She's always nagging. She's always moody. When you tell her sometimes you want to make love to her, she's always saying no. Why would she say no? When you don't last 30 seconds. When you don't even know how to foul play with her. Why would she say no? All you think about is yourself. She's always angry. Why would she be angry? These are some of the secrets she might not be telling that I'm telling you now. That your wife is not happy about your brief love making. That your girlfriend is not happy about your brief sex with her. A lot of girls have broken up from their boyfriend because of this issue. A lot of marriages have been dissolved because of this issue. Some of them are sick and tired of the same routine every day. Why do you have to think about yourself alone? Try to change your ways. I thought I should let you know what is making your wife angry. Your wife is not happy. Maybe, for instance, you ask her, oh honey, the love making, she will say, what love making? You say, love making we had last night. And I said, me? Me making love with you? When? You say, what are you talking about? You will say, what are you talking about? Last night now? Me and you. You say, me and myself and you? No, last night. Both of us. Both of us? I'm sorry, I don't remember making love to you last night. Why would she remember? When the love making was so brief, she won't remember. Because there's no memory about it. Nothing that will make her remember anything. Yes. So, mister, I beg you, try and be patient when you are making love to your wife. Don't be so much in a hurry. Give love making time. Love making need time. When you know you are going to make love to your wife, give it time. Don't be so much in a hurry. When you know you are going to make love to your wife, and you know you are that 30-second man, that is PE, premature ejaculation. You understand? If you know you have that problem, and you know there's nothing you can do about it, can't you make your wife happy first? Make your wife have her way first before you climb on top of her. If you cannot, there are a lot of gadgets that you can use to enhance your sex life. There's no crime about that. Make her happy. Caress her. From head to toe. No, look for what turns her on. Give her good time. Make her comfort before you offload. Make her happy. So that she can wake up happy in the following morning. A woman that is satisfied with sex, you see her in the morning. She's always happy. She said, oh, good morning, my precious Joel. Did you sleep well last night, honey? You say, yes, I slept well. You say, oh, did you sleep well too? Oh, can't you tell, honey? I slept like a baby. Honey, what will I prepare for you this morning? Your usual or something new? Oh, I'm so happy this morning, honey. Oh, I love you. She'll be telling you sweet words. You see her hands are always on top of you. Her hands are always rubbing you. Her head on your shoulder because she's happy. When she's preparing the children for school that morning in the kitchen, you see her very happy. One of the children will say, mommy, what's going on this morning? You look so happy. What is happening? You say, oh, my dear. Oh, it's your dad. I'm very happy. You say, what did my dad do to you? Oh, you won't understand, my dear. You are a child. Oh, I'm so happy. Maybe he will say, can I take banana to school? You say, oh, my dear. You can take banana to school, my dear. In fact, take 2 bananas to school, my dear. Just pack the whole thing. Take some and give some to your friends in school. From today, you are going to be taking banana to school. And we always give some to your friends. She's so happy. Why? Because your love making last night was so beautiful. The children are going to be happy going to school because mommy is happy. You are going to be happy going to work because mommy is happy. As a girlfriend now, your boyfriend is going to be happy going to work because you are happy. You are going to be happy going to your own job because you are happy. Can't you see the way love making in the bedroom, because it was a good one, bringing happiness to the whole family? So love making have a lot of role to play in the family. When your love making is a disaster, the whole house is not happy. When your love making to your wife is a good one, the whole house is happy. Why am I giving this message? I am giving this message because I want your home to be a happy home. Mister, if you are that type that always in a hurry, if you are that type that is having this PE, premature ejaculation, please, you have to do something about it. Next time, I'm going to talk about how you are going to stay longer. I've been able to use this method to help a lot of marriages. Today, they are very, very happy. And I've been able to use this to help a lot of relationships. Today, they are happy with their relationship. Some are even married by now. So I believe it's definitely going to work for you. I don't want you to miss that video so you know what to do to make your home a happy home, to make your family bubbling, to make your relationship a good one. So I'm going to let you in on what to do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.